Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, practicing endocrinology at Metro Heart Institute, Faridabad, and also in Delhi. So today I'm going to talk about growth hormone deficiency. First, what is growth hormone? So as its name suggests, it is an hormone which is secreted by master endocrine gland, pituitary gland, and it is very essential for normal development and growth of human being and also other animals. Apart from its effects on normal growth, it also has important role in our metabolism, like regulating the metabolism of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates, and it's essential for normal development of our muscles and bones, and required for normal functioning of almost all organs in our body. So, what is growth hormone deficiency? This is a clinical situation when the pituitary gland is not making enough of growth hormones, which is required for normal development process. And this clinical entity usually presents in childhood because that is the time when it is most needed. And without growth hormone, even if all systems are functioning normally and child is getting good nutrition, but he fails to gain his normal height as he should gain as per his genetic potential. So growth hormone is very important during our phase of growth, that is childhood, early infancy to the periods of adolescence. So what are symptoms of growth hormone deficiency? So the most common symptom, the usual symptom is the child is not growing and he is shorter than almost all other children who are of same age group, and sometimes these children are even shorter than their younger siblings. So that is very serious and it clearly indicates there is something wrong with the child, and these children should be investigated for growth hormone deficiency. Generally, if there is no other medical problem, these children appear healthy, they look younger for their age, and they don't have any other symptoms. So that's why the condition is neglected and they are brought to hospital at late age, 15 years, 16 years and 20 years, and they are diagnosed late, so they don't get the benefit of effective therapy. If the treatment started at early age, then the results are very good and they can achieve their genetically determined height. But if there is delay in diagnosis and treatment is started very late, then they don't get the maximum benefit of growth hormone therapy. Why the growth hormone deficiency occurs? So there are few causes, like it is synthesized and secreted by endocrine gland pituitary. So any development defect in pituitary gland or any head injury, trauma, radiation or surgery of the brain can cause growth hormone deficiency. And there is very effective and easily available treatment, and these children can grow tall and they can achieve normal height with growth hormone replacement. So that is all about growth hormone deficiency. So if you have any queries or any more questions, you can always contact me on library.com or in my clinic. Thank you.